Hello, Raven. Right, let's get straight to the point. Last night you made a report saying you saw an animatronic called Jake walking around and going to the middle hall. So, as you may have noticed, the animatronics from the previous location, well, they're back. We put them in the parts and service room for now, as they don't serve any purpose yet, though I wasn't aware that they were still on. It might explain why Jerry was scared to approach Jake, but whatever. Back on track, the wizards, as we call them, seem to act very similar to each other. Shining a bright light at them should be enough to make them leave. It's likely some will come from the vent system too, but lucky you, your office is equipped with buttons that can turn on bright lights in the vents. Just make sure to hold one down and not flicker it. Got that? Good, see you tomorrow.
Hello?